In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Monday.com CRM for small business. We'll begin on the Monday.com homepage. Monday.com is a great option for small businesses because it gives you a flexible way to organize contacts, leads, and sales activity all in one place. Instead of juggling spreadsheets, notes, and emails, you can build a simple CRM that's easy to update and easy for your team to understand. From the home screen, click on Board to start setting up your contacts board. Then click Create Board. Once the new board appears, rename it to Contacts. This will be the central place where you store the people and businesses you want to keep track of. Next, start adding columns by clicking the plus icon. First, select a text column and rename it Contact Name. This text field is useful because it gives you a clean, flexible place to enter the main name for each contact. After that, add a company column so you can associate each person with the business they belong to. Then add an email column, which makes it easier to store and reference email addresses directly inside your CRM. Continue by adding a phone column, and then a phone number column. These fields help you keep calling information organized and accessible, especially if you manage multiple ways to contact a lead or customer. Next, add a lead source column so you can see where each contact came from, such as referrals, ads, or your website. Add an industry column as well, which helps you categorize contacts by business type. Then add a status column so you can quickly understand where each contact stands. Finally, add a contact date column to keep track of important communication or follow-up timing. Once your contacts board is ready, create another board by clicking the plus icon again beside CRM. This time, click New Board, then click Create Board and rename it Sales Pipeline. This board will help you manage active opportunities and monitor progress from lead to closed deal. Now begin adding the key columns for your pipeline. Add a deal name column to label each opportunity clearly. Add a company column so every deal is connected to the right business. And then add a contact person column to identify who you're speaking with for that deal. After that, add a deal value column to track the potential revenue attached to each opportunity. Add a stage column to show where the deal currently sits in your sales process, and then add a close date column so you can monitor expected completion dates and prioritize follow-ups. Once everything is set up, you can start importing existing data, connecting your email, creating lead capture forms, automating lead management, and tracking sales activities. That's how to set up Monday.com CRM for small business. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.